volleyball, setting is a basic skill used to prepare the ball for an attack or spike. It is when a player, usually the setter, uses their fingertip to gently push the ball upward so a teammate can hit it over the net.